Right, so we're going to replace the broken rear light cluster. Nice hole in it there, now cheeky bit of gaff tape. The procedure to replace this light cluster is the same as to access the bulbs. The most difficult part is getting this small trim panel off here. If you look into the side, there are some small holes. And inside those tabs are some small little release tabs. I'm using an Allen key. You can use a screwdriver and you just need to push them in and gradually lever the panel out. Where is it? There we go. One's out. There we go. And that just frees it up. Lovely. As the panel releases from the inside like that, and then these other tabs push in. There we go. So I'll just show you that. So you've got those two release tabs on that side, and then these push fit yellow ones which just go into a socket there. It's then pretty easy to get the cluster out. There's a Torx bolt at the top. It's a I'll show that T27. So we'll just whack that out. And there's a bolt just in that hole down there at the bottom of the cluster. And we've lost it. There we go. And the cluster pulls out with a single multi-plug on the back to remove it. Lovely. So if you need to get bulbs out, the procedure is relatively simple. Just there's two release tabs here and a release tab. They come out. There you go. And it just moves out. And then there's one more release tab there. There we go. And the entire set of bulbs comes out. So you can either replace the bulbs. We're obviously going to replace that cluster. So we've got ourselves a pattern part here. One tip I'd make is search for the different manufacturers. So obviously that doesn't come with the bulbs. So we'll put that back in. Yeah, so different, if you're getting pattern parts, some of the ones, they have different, I've lost the gasket, there you go, put that gasket back in. Quite a few of the different ones listed for different manufacturers have different prices. So although I have to be working on a Citroen, this one was actually supposed to fit a Vauxhall. However, obviously they're the same van underneath. There we go, put that together. Push that in a little bit. Ooh. There we go. A little bit of a plastic lug there on the pattern part. That's not quite the right shape, as is common with pattern parts. Lovely. That ain't going anywhere. Lovely. We'll plug that back in. Just find where that bolt's gone. Oh, there it is. Right, one moment, please. The magnetic grippy tool. Yeah, one bolt. Excellent. Right, let's put this cluster and just take that off. I'll just leave the plastic over it for a sec so I don't scratch it. But get it so I can pull it out. Lovely. So there's a few push fit lugs that it goes in. I'm going to connect the loom up. Loom connected. Let's get that loom to go in. There we go. Perfect. That's all located. So I'm going to start with the bolt at the top. They are the same length, so it doesn't actually matter. Just do the bottom one before I nip that up. Let's try not to drop it this time. Right, let's think about that. Let's put a tiny bit of tape on that bolt so we can get it down the hole without losing it. I'll just take that tape off in a sec. Go. Oh well, that tape's going to live in there. So just nip those up. Don't have to be super tight, just enough to squeeze that gasket. Lovely. And then we'll put that panel back in. So the same as reverse. So the yellow tabs just go into those two slots there. Go. Let's not forget to remove this before I manage to click it in and never get it off again. There we go. All back together. So take it off. Job's a good one. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to just drop us a like and a subscribe. Thanks very much.